Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. 1 second.
No problem. Just take 1 minute. I'll also set up 1 minute, and I'll also come.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. Just I'll be in a line, and also I need to launch it.
Yeah, yeah, please. Take 1 minute.
Yeah, yeah, I'll be online. No problem. Okay. So yeah, as we discussed earlier, last class we have talked about EBS, right? You are, I think, theoretically you are very much clear. I hope so.
Yes, yes.
So today we will do how we have to attach, detach, create. Okay, all these things. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me share my screen. Yep. Is it visible?
Oh,
Is it visible now?
yes, I guess. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So just let me know if you can see.
Yes, again.
Okay. So hello.
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
Sam.
Sam.
So
So
yeah,
yeah,
we are
we are
talking
talking
about
about
EBS,
EBS,
right?
right?
Means
Means
volumes.
volumes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So
So
yeah,
yeah,
that's
that's
fine.
fine.
Everything
Everything
working
working
fine.
fine.
Recording
Recording
also.
also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
volumes.
volumes.
You
You
see
see
this?
this?
Okay.
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 So
So
here
here
we
we
have
have
to
to
do
do
two
two
things,
things,
three
three
things.
things.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
one
one
is
is
we
we
have
have
to
to
create
create
the
the
EBS
EBS
volume.
volume.
Okay. And then easy to instance.
Yeah, I'm
I'm
trying
trying
to
to
write
write
something,
something,
Sam.
Sam.
Actually,
Actually,
it's
it's
struggling.
struggling.
That's
That's
why
why
I'm
I'm
taking
taking
this
this
much
much
care.
care.
Feeling a
Feeling
little
little
frustration
frustration
on
on
this.
this.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
first
first
point
point
is
is
first
first
we
we
need
need
to
to
create
create
EBS
EBS
volume.
volume.
Okay.
Okay.
The
The
second
second
one
one
is
is
attach
attach
this
this
EBS
EBS
volume
volume
to
to
EC2.
EC2.
Okay.
Okay.
The
The
third
third
one
one
is
is
we
we
need
need
to
to
mount.
mount.
We
We
need
need
to
to
mount
mount
directory.
directory.
Mount
Mount
directory
directory
with
with
the
the
EBS.
EBS.
Okay.
Okay.
So these three steps we have to do first. Let's create a volume first. After that we have to, after creating EBS volume, next we have to attach this to EC2 instance. After that, so whatever EBS volume is there, that uh, we need to mount with the directly to EBS. So let's see one by one. Okay, first we will create it. Comfort today. So are you getting any kind of noise from my side?
No, not now. It's fine.
Okay. All right. So let me create a volume. Okay. My volume name. One second. One second, sir. Why it is asking gateway? It's asking some gateway. Okay. So this is actually new step. See, earlier this step was not there. So now this is added extra. So they are actually changing, keep on changing, updating, releasing new things. Anyways, it doesn't matter. So let's, I'll also learn this. Gateway name something. Mm, volume v gateway 1. I'll keep like this, any different name. Okay. So time zone as it is taken default. What is this? S3 file gateway, tape gateway, volume gateway. Let me take a volume. Next, choose volume type. So this is related to S3 and stored volume. Your entire data set is stored locally while also being asynchronously backed up. Imagine S3. What is this? Your primary data is stored in S3 while your frequently accessed data is retaining locally in the cache for low latency access. Okay. So it is asking to choose anything.
Okay.
Okay. So
So
let me.
this gateway name will come. You have to choose some other option. Can you scroll up a little bit, sir? Just on the top. On
Yes. Yes. You are asking. Yeah.
so set up gateway, and then
Hmm.
we will we will choose which one. When we choose the setup, the storage gateway,
Hmm.
then we go to gateway, and then this setup gateway will come right directly.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
We will slow down. Just scroll down a little bit. We
Yeah.
name, okay, fine, and then time we will keep the
This
same.
this is new step, Sam. This is completely new step. I'm very much confident. Earlier this was not there.
Okay, no
Okay.
problem, no problem. We learn a new step, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
time and then gateway options में we will choose what? Just scroll down.
गेटवे ऑप्शन में ये भी चूज कर सकते हैं.
That's
Yeah,
fine.
actually, yeah. In this
That's the
gateway
name. That's the
options,
name.
we have actually S3 related synchronizing. They have given tape gateway. They have given this also related to S3, but they have given some extra feature using
Okay,
S3 Glacier Deep Archive. Okay,
correct.
so they have actually this volume is also synchronizing with the S3.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm not synchronizing with these three options. I'm going to choose a volume gateway which is just storage
City.
volume with the just only sample general image and S3.
Okay. So volume
So
gateway.
yes.
Because we generally are not connecting with S3, we're connecting with only
Yeah.
EC2, right?
Yes. So this is extra point. And your primary
Maybe
data is stored in Amazon S3 while your frequency access data is retained locally in the cache for low latency access, which means you need to respond very fast, right? Due to cache, it will give the very fast response, that is low latency.
Okay. So we are
So,
choosing catch.
yes, anything. Is it cache or stored also fine. Your entire, see here, your entire data set is stored locally. Here it will store in locally. Okay.
That is stored in cache.
Then being asynchronously backed up with the Amazon S3. Anything is fine. Actually, this is new. We need to check with these two. Anything is fine. Okay,
Correct, correct.
let us stored volumes. Let us check this, or we can check anything. Let me go with this then fun
Oh,
initially.
yeah, yeah, cache is fine.
Okay. So Amazon EC2, I'm choosing actually host platform. I don't have VMware, Microsoft Hyper-V, and Linux KVM. Nothing I have. I have only Amazon S3. Okay,
S3.
right?
EC2.
Yes, EC2 instance. Okay. So I have what is this? Standard Amazon EC2 instant pricing. Okay. Customize your settings. Okay. Launch EC2 instance or existed. Let me check any existed if it is available. This is default VPC subnet. This is default. Okay, so I
Choose the
need to
default one.
already I have an EC2 instance, but that is not allowing inside. Clear?
Yeah, so we have to
I
create a new one.
we should create. I will create customize your settings. This is actually for customized, and this is default one.
Yeah,
What is default one? The default setting is instance type M5 extra large. I don't want this.
the
Okay, this
micro
will
one.
cost me a lot. So I don't want this. Again, I have to shut down this. So I don't want
Yes.
this. I will choose my own. So launch
Right.
instance.
Right. So it
Okay.
gives us the option to
Yeah,
create
yeah,
or
yeah. So our own. So whatever free tier is there, we'll keep in free tier one. Okay. So
Mhm.
that this is actually instance volume. I'll keep name like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Volume instance.
Anything or EBS, whatever. Anything.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Instance. Volume instance. Or else you can keep as usual your wish. I'll choose and go for your. Okay, next AMI. What is AMI? I will choose
Uh-huh.
AWS. Okay, I'll choose Linux.
Okay.
See this?
Yeah, there are two, three.
Yeah, a lot more. We have all. So we will
Yeah.
choose Linux, Amazon Linux.
Amazon Line. But they have only less two here, right?
Yeah,
2003,
different types
my
are there. Yeah, yeah, types, different types.
but we can choose anything.
See now here, free tier eligible. Free tier eligible. So I'm going to choose free tier only because we are not using large scale volumes, large scale data, right? So that's why. Oh, actually, system is a bit slow. Server. Okay. So Amazon Linux
AMI.
2023 version AMI I have taken. It's okay. And also you see this. This is free tier eligible.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Micro.
So this is also free tier eligible. I'm very happy for this. Okay. Next, create
Yeah,
a new key pair. The key pair name
yes.
is EBS key pair.
Yeah, same thing.
EBS instance key. 1 second, Sam. It is a bit slow. Okay. Create a key pair. Downloaded that and network settings. Okay. So this is default VPC. Subnet also.
It's default.
Yep. So I need to choose availability zones also. Let me go inside. Let me go inside. Let me check the. This is default one. Subnet is also default one. Let's take
We didn't choose anything. No preference. It seems.
availability zones. I need to choose. That's why I'm looking for it. That's why this is subnet
Yeah, we have to choose the
availability zone. I will take this one. 1A. Just keep in mind. This 1A I'm choosing it. Okay.
the
And
subnet.
subnet, yeah, availability zone. For availability zone, I'm taking first subnet. Subnet actually it
Okay,
is
this
providing with
I
three
think this
three
we
different
I
availability
think this
zones.
we might have created. One would be default, and two we created maybe when we were doing the
No, no, that
practical.
was deleted. That was already deleted. This is whenever you creating a one default, whenever you are taking new machine, if you choose default VPC For the default VPC, you will get three availability zones.
Okay.
That is standard. You will have a three availability zones. Why? Because in your Mumbai, you have a three
Yeah, right.
availability zones. Those three availability zones will be display here. So
Okay,
that's why I'm
okay.
choosing one availability zone which is available 1A. So just keep in mind we have actually chosen 1A. Okay. So next to firewall, it's okay. I think let's keep the name EBS SG Wins Security Group.
But even if we keep the VPC and subnet and don't use it, we have stopped it, so it will not charge.
No, no, I do not search.
Project.
I don't know. It is bit slow today. Okay, someone calling.
No, no.
Hello, Vamshi.
Okay, okay.
Vamshi, can I call back? I'm in class. Hello, hello. Yeah. So yeah, fine. That's fine. Okay, next. What are the more options? Still SSH is there. That is
Yeah.
okay. Next, it's fine. Configuration. See, storage 8 GB default storage.
It is default.
Okay. Um, shall we decrease this?
Yeah, yeah,
Five
anything.
and keep.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, it doesn't take. Minimum is 8.
Minimum 8.
Yeah, let's
The free
keep.
tier gives you.
Yeah, let's keep like this only then.
Right, right.
Okay. And that's all fine. And also I would like to see the volumes. See this storage volumes.
Yes. 8. 8 GB.
This storage volumes in this
You can
uh,
add.
GP3. Can you see the different type of SSD GP3, SSD GP2, SSD IO1, SSD IO2? Okay,
Yes.
so these are all actually hard disks which you are having in your local system. Same way for virtual machine EC2 also there is some hard disk.
Yeah,
Okay, so this is level 1, level 2 like this. So there are for example I'll show you. For example, if I choose GP2,
yeah.
okay, root volume GP2 I'm choosing, and 1 minute Sam.
Yeah, yeah.
uh, EBS volumes types. So we need to go through a little bit more deep. Uh, See here, GP3, GP2, IO2, and ION. These are all types. Okay. So in this, it is actually durability 99.8% to 99.9%. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
For IO2, they mentioned actually 99.99999% durability.
Durability.
Means long lasting. So IO1, they have given 98% to
Correct.
99%. Okay, so here use cases is transactional loads, workloads, virtual desktops, medium sized single instance database, low latency, boost volume, and development test environments. This area, okay,
Mm.
development purpose and test purpose. This
Yes.
this use case GP3, GP2, and IO2 blocks express. This one is actually workload that require sub milliseconds latency. Very,
Even
very,
faster.
very,
Even
very
faster.
faster. Yeah. And the sustained IOPS performance, very high performance. More than 64,000 IOPS for 1000 MB per second. This is very fast. That's why they have given this much percentage durability, 99.999%.
Mm-hmm.
And this one workloads require sustained IOPS performance more than 16,000 as compared to this very less.
What is
Okay,
IOPS full form? Or what is IOPS?
I think input output per second, I think so.
Okay, put on 2 seconds. Whatever it is speed.
Yeah,
It
speed.
doesn't make much difference. What's
Yes.
the full form?
Yeah, input output operations per second.
Mhm.
That's what. Okay. So input output performance faster than this is little slower than this. This is very faster than these two. Okay.
Right.
The size also they have standardly fixed it. 1 GB to 60, 1 GB to 16 TB.
Right.
Okay, this is 4 TB, 4 GB to 64 TB. This is high, too much high. This is very bigger one. If you choose
Right.
this much you can till minimum is 4, maximum is 64 TB.
Right.
In between this much you can able to choose.
Right.
But
Right.
here there is actually a limit 4 GB to 16 GB. This is also 1 GB to 16 GB. For
But
example,
we only
your
could
machine is,
do
yeah.
8 GB.
For
8 GB
example,
per
your
time.
machine is very small one only. If you want to use 1 GB, you can choose for go simply blindly go for G3, GP3 and GP2. For example, your machine is medium, 4 GB to 16 TB you can go, and you can also use for 16 TB here. But if it is initially if it is less than 4 GB, you can go here. But once if you choose less 1 GB, you can increase. But once if you choose 4 GB, you can't decrease this.
Right.
So for that purpose, this multi-purpose they have designed for this. Clear? Okay.
Right. Right.
So there are input output maximum input outputs performance per second. This much they have given. We can't understand this. Actually, mathematical calculations are there.
Right. Right.
Okay, so we don't want this. Don't focus on this kind of things. Just we need to
Yeah.
understand these points. All right, this is good
But
point,
still
right?
it was taking, but it still was, it was taking 8 GBs. It was not taking 1 GB as minimum size.
Yes,
When
and
we were doing it, it was not taking
let
1 GB. It
us
was
let us
8,
see.
8.
Let us see. For example, in this case, 1 second, Sam. It was okay. 1 second. So I'm going to choose now GP3, GP2. So can I
Yeah.
able to keep 1 GB? Let's see.
No, 8 GBs. We already did that. It did
Okay,
not change.
let us try again with the
Okay.
GP2
Right.
I'm telling. Okay,
Yeah,
I
it will
want to
not change.
make it as 1 GB.
Minimum is 8.
Minimum is 8. Okay, and the other one is uh,
Same thing.
IO2. Okay, IO2.
Maybe it's magnetic.
Yeah, IO2. I'm going to take
8 is minimum.
2. 2. Minimum is 8.
I think 8 is standard and free.
8 is, yeah, 8 is standard. Above 8, you can, right, right. So yeah, you can keep this mind. Okay, that's fine. That's
Can
fine.
you
That's fine.
scroll up a little bit, sir?
Yes.
To the subnet part.
Yeah. This one.
This we three availability zone will come. So
Yes.
where did we choose the subnet? The default subnet first, and then the
This is
availability.
actually VPC. Okay,
We
this
chose
is
V.
default VPC.
Okay.
Along with the default VPC, you will get three subnets, which is three subnets in the sense three
Okay,
different
automatically
availability
subnets will
zones.
come. Okay, then we choose
Definitely.
the
By
availability.
default, you will get three. Why? Because in the design is it like that for Mumbai. For
Got it.
Mumbai, you have three availability zones are available.
Got it.
Okay, so those three availability zones are the here. One is one availability zone, two availability zone, three availability zone. If
Okay.
something happens to the one availability zone, it will take a server connection with these two.
Right.
Any kind of natural calamities, any kind of any issues, we could not able to
And
say that.
for the security group, we
We
just
are
kept
creating new security group here.
SSH, and then anywhere. We did not touch anything. We
Yeah,
don't
we
have
did not touch. If you want, we
SSH
can
was
add
there,
later also.
and anywhere was there.
Yes, if you want, you
Anywhere, that
can.
means all.
Yes, if you want, we can take it from inbound and outbound
Yeah,
rules, right?
yeah,
No,
yeah.
so far I don't want all these things.
Fine.
So that's why I just only mentioned for SSH is for connection. That's it. I don't want connection
Then
even to. Just this is default. I'm keeping it as usual.
anywhere means to the public. SSH to the
Hmm.
admin.
Yes. So as it is mentioned clearly that GP3 and GP2 purpose, normal purpose, I'm not
Dev
going for
and
IO2. This is very big one. So that's why I'm just going only for GP3 and GP2 for medium level. I mean, like for testing level, testing
test
environment.
and
This is
development
a
level also.
you can consider this. This is testing level. Okay. See here, free tier eligible customers can up to 30 GB. So I'm under this 30 GB only.
Right.
So that's fine. I don't have any threats from AWS.
Right. Right. It's free of
All right.
free tier
That's it.
account activate.
That's it. Okay. I'm just I'm just going to launch instance. Okay, we just created, not yet, just create, almost created EC2 instance. Okay, so now EC2 instance got created. Yeah, yeah, it is created.
Right.
So yeah, right.
One instance created or two instance created?
No, no, no. One instance only created. That is previous one.
Okay,
Okay,
the other one is running. Okay, okay, fine, fine.
that is previous one. Right. So right, all right. Customized your settings. Launch instance also done. Okay, that's fine. Actually, it is recommending also create setup gateway for EC2 instance. Okay, with so and so, but we have chosen our own.
Okay.
Okay, so but fine. Next.
What, sir? What?
So actually, thing is, while I'm creating this, so
Yes,
it
we've
is
created.
telling that you need to have EC2 instance, right?
Okay, we have done it.
They actually suggested to create
Recommend
M5 and
5x.
M5 and recommended, yeah, recommended selected at least M5 X large.
Okay. So
But
that mean our uh, instance will our EBS will not work?
yeah, will not work. But actually, this is too much costly. That's why I have
Yes,
chosen
of
my
course it is.
own. So
But
let us
don't
try
you
with it.
think? But don't you think we are just transferring a very less file? Are we not even doing 8 GBs? We are not even MBs. I mean, like slightly MB, 1 MB, 2 MB, 3 MB, 4 MB. Will it's not even
See,
close to this.
see, Sam. Even if you do transfer 1 MB, 0 MB, doesn't matter. If you launch the instance with M5 extra large, so it will cost. So which
Yeah,
means machine is
that I
running,
know,
right?
that I know, that I know. Why I'm saying why are we selecting the configuration which is T2 micro is that we are not working on a production level project. We are just trying to transfer 1 GB to yes, with 1 MB, 2 MB, 3 MB. So
Mm-hmm.
that suffices. I think I'm not saying that we will create
Yeah,
large
yeah.
and yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. First, what I'm trying to say is, I'm trying to do with the whatever configuration I kept my customized
I think
EC2 instance. Let me try with first. If not works, let me go with these instructions.
it should because we are not even working
Mm.
with more than 5 MB file.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So yeah. So first, I'll try with my whatever my configuration instance is there. Along with that, let me try. If not works, let me come back and let me do some changes, or else
Because
I
it
can
says it's
increase.
recommended.
So
Because it says recommended. It
as it
did
is
not say
recommended,
mandatory.
we'll do with it also, no problem. Let's see. Let me go with this. Let's do some
It
mistake.
won't. I don't think
So
so. It won't.
it's okay.
I don't.
But let us try with the mistake, so we can learn more things. Okay. So activation key, IP address. What is this? Gateway connection. Oh, this is new one. Yeah. Okay. EC2 instance IP address. I want to check. This is the one only, right? So I
EBS.
will
EBS.
take.
The second one. No. The second one.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh,
Public address will take.
yep.
Public address. Okay.
Yeah, this is
Pub.
IP address. Okay, fine. Publicly accessible. Yes.
Okay. It will work. I think so. Should work.
Yeah. Oh, one
This is
second,
it.
Sam. 1 second. My charging also not there.
AWS is unnecessarily trying that the customers pay.
Yeah, yeah. So
there should be a complete student trial account, at
Yeah.
least 4 months that we can try everything. That's the problem with Azure and this also. Azure is even more bad. 1 month,
Hmm.
can't
Yeah,
do
1 month
anything.
only. Yeah, yeah. 1 month only. So that's why AWS is very famous because they are providing free, right? See here, this one Elastic Block Store.
Volume check.
Yeah, Sam, actually, apologies. Actually, we went somewhere other different volume. Okay, different way we actually have gone.
Gateway something.
Yeah, gateway something that is not recommended. Actually, see here, I'm looking for actually EBS store. Okay, so in this EBS store, let it be. Okay, no problem. I will delete that later.
Just
So
delete it
see
now.
here, EBS block store. In this EBS block store, there are options, snapshots, lifecycle manager, volumes.
Yeah. That's
Okay,
right.
see here. So these are all
Yeah,
default one. These are all default one.
yeah.
That's why I'm actually getting a little confused. Why?
Delete that. Delete that.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so this is a these are all things same. GP3, GP2, IO1, IO2 all are available. Okay, let me take GP2. See here for GP2. Now it will satisfy your question. Okay, now you see with GP2, right? 1 GB I'll try with 1 GB. Can you see?
Yeah.
Now it is satisfying.
Right.
Okay, I'm going to take 5 GB minimum, right? With a GPT,
Okay.
right? Next, 1 year, one availability zone, I'm checking it. Okay,
Okay.
and I don't want snapshot now. Just
No,
keep it
no.
as usual, right? So I just simply create a volume. And volume name is no volume name,
There
right?
is no volume name actually.
Tag, I'll keep tag then. It is good. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, EBS. AWS, can I keep? No, Sam, I'll keep Sam.
Create.
Yeah, let me check refresh. See this? This is new volume.
Yeah.
So these two are from default.
But
I think one we have created, one is actually default.
yeah. Both. Two are default.
No, Sam. Actually, one we have created, right? Just
The
now.
two are default.
That is also showing, right?
But there are three. There are three, right?
Yeah, there
Three
are
and
three actually.
three and one we created.
Yeah. First one is actually which one we created just recently. That see the time. Okay, just see the
Uh,
time. Okay, what is the time now? This is this is the one.
no. Yeah,
This is the
2020.
one. This is the one. 12:16. This is 12:24.
But
So that.
that also was 10, 12.
Hmm.
Okay, but that was done
I'll
tomorrow
tell you. I'll tell you. Actually, we have a two EC2 instances. Clear? One is actually I have created last night.
last night.
That is for different purpose. Okay.
Correct.
Also, it does RAM and size, everything.
It,
Volumes will be there for
it,
that.
yeah,
This
yeah,
is now
yeah.
just we created. Clear?
Yeah, yeah,
That is
yeah.
related. Just now we created only volume without any EC2 instance. Just only created a volume.
Yeah, that's right.
This is the one. Okay. We just created a storage that we have not attached to any server. Just created only server. This is dedicated volume.
Right. It did
Dedicated
not give
volume.
any option also. It also did not give any option to
Yeah.
create.
So let's see. So I just want to attach this volume to this one. Okay, let me keep here name. So Sam instance, I'll keep like this. Okay. Oh, or else. Okay, let me keep this. Okay.
Is this instance or we are there in volumes right now?
No, actually, this is a volume, but this is related to Sam instance volume. So what name we have given there? for understanding only naming convention I'm just giving. So for instance, something I have given, right? EBS instance or something
But
like
this
that.
is volume, sir. The instance
Yes,
is somewhere else.
Sam. Yes, Sam. This is volume, but this volume is related to that instance, that hard disk related. That
Okay.
EC2 instance hard disk. This is the one.
Okay, fine.
So while we are creating, we have chosen 8 GB RAM, right?
Yes,
That
yes.
8 GB RAM is actually specifically it is showing separate here. If you delete that, that volume will be deleted.
Okay.
So once while you are creating EC2 instance, you will get volume default.
That's right.
Okay, that volume is here. This one only.
Mhm.
Okay,
But
so
we went to the storage gateway route.
even you went through storage different. That is actually different option. Okay, maybe you are creating instance with a different way, but still you have created instance, right?
Fine.
So right.
Can
So
we go
let
to
me.
instance once?
Yes, I will show you complete details here. Okay, so this is instance.
This is one you created. Instance one you created. Some maybe tomorrow, yesterday.
Let me confirm from the timings. Yeah, this is the one. Second one is ours, right? So this I will change it as Sam, EBS Sam. Okay, so this is the one which we created now. Okay,
Right.
so see here in details.
But the volume one, we were doing something else. That is why I was saying this is not instance. That was volume. The other
Mm.
one. The other one.
That is
Yeah,
different. Actually, that is different service, but we went for wrong. Actually, that is also related to volume, but that is we are not using it right now.
exactly. That is I was saying. Please go to instance, not
Mm.
volume.
Got it. Okay, let me go here. You see, the details are here.
This
Yeah,
is
you see
okay.
storage.
Now
Let
I'm
me
now on
just
instance.
I'm clicking here. This is actually instance, right? For this instance, I'm just clicking here storage. You see here, same details are being here. Same details.
Yeah, yeah, that's true.
So right, the ID number is ED699. Okay, ED699. Clear?
Right.
So I'll keep Sam instance volume. I'll keep like this. Okay, this is additional volume. Okay, EBS SAM add additional. Okay, this is this storage we got through instance. This storage we got through instance, but this storage we got
Extra.
dedicatedly we created here.
Extra.
Extra volume we have created now. Clear?
Right.
So now what I have to do is this volume,
That.
whatever volume is there. So see this, that volume device name is slash dev, okay, slash
There.
xvda. Okay, this is the path there if you need to find there. Okay,
Right. Right.
so let me go to console. Let me go to console first here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so I will go here, instances. In instances, okay, Sam, actually I have attached with the gateway. Maybe that might works or not. So can I take this instance, this different instance?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
SAMO instance, EBS instance, test instance. Okay. So it doesn't matter what instance you are going to attach. So
Right.
now actually you are having 8 GB. I'm
Yeah.
going to add with 8 GB to this 5.
5 GB.
Total 13 GB you must see. Correct.
Of course.
Right.
Right.
So
Right.
I'm not going to use this. Okay. So this is extra. I have done with something different.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let me stop this then.
Yeah.
How much it will cost? Okay. this instance name.
Yeah.
Okay, let it be instance name, just remember.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So you can see the storage
Yeah.
here,
Yeah.
dev xvda, this is the path. Okay, this is id name and the volume is 8. Same, right? We need to add extra volume to this instance. That's what. So first, just simply click here. Okay, actions,
It will be attached something.
actions. Okay, in this actions you might find attach.
Yeah. Yeah,
Where
I saw
is
it. Not now, but some days ago.
view details, instance settings, networking, security, manage templates, monitor trouble. Okay, fine. So again I will refresh and let me be very clear. Okay, this is the instance. Instance all state security. Manage instance state or what? Attach volume should be there here and actions. Oh god, they are actually playing with us. Okay. Where I need to find here. Connect. Manage instance. Instance settings. Networking. Security. Instance monitor. Okay, let me go storage. Then here I'll try. Okay. So this is a 5 GB. So this is a 5 GB. So then here actions. Attach volume. See here, attach volume to instance. Which instance? Instance is
The eight,
D74.
the 8 GB one.
E86 actually our instance name. Let me check.
Yeah.
Refresh.
Right.
Okay, it is not showing here that instance.
Yeah, yeah, it's not showing.
Yeah. Okay. Availability zone I'll check. There. 1 second. ABS one
Yeah, maybe the
instances.
availability zone is different.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe availability zones are different. Yeah.
You to check.
Yeah. So this is the instance.
Mm-hmm.
Check availability zone is B. So then that's why it's not showing.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Change to.
Sam, just to pay some patience, I will create a one default instance now.
Can't be changed to A directly.
Because actually I'm using for some different purpose this
Okay,
one.
okay, okay, okay.
That's why actually
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Or
yeah,
either we can change the one we made to B.
that will be attached with the gateway. The gateway does not allow now. Gateway
Okay.
is not allowing. See, it is redirecting with a different page. Again, it will be complicated and it will create unnecessary confusion. So let me go with the flow. So that's why I'm just going to take a new instance.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, EBS instance 2. I'm going to keep like this, same as usual. I'm not changing anything. Okay, let me take a instance key
Okay.
conga. Oh my god, these many keys are available now. Let me. So what I have mentioned there earlier, what is the name of
Uh,
Mumbai
EBS,
instance?
EBS, EBS.
EBS, right?
Right, right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
yeah.
one, right? Let me allow all these things, however it is default. So here, see this, I'm going with a different default one, VPC, but I'm going to choose 1A. Okay, 1A. I'm going to choose 1A. You see 1A here, South
Yeah.
1A, right? Enable security. This is instance to SG security group. This is for better understanding. Okay. Then next, that's fine. All these things, that's fine, 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 fine. All right. See, default one is 8 GB. I'm just taking launching instance.
Mhm.
So
1888
no, launch instance. I think it will show here. So this is the one. Okay. So um I'm going to add 5 GB to current
5 to 8 GB.
8 GB, right? The instance 2 I'm going to attach. See this? This is
Yeah,
the 5 GB.
yeah.
Let me take here. This is the new one. Okay. Test instance 2. Okay. 2. Okay. I'm going to add this 5 GB
To test 2.
attach volume. Okay. Now it is showing. Okay. Can you?
Yeah.
I just need to take a confirmation from ECB to 3CB.
3 CB.
See this? 3CB. Okay. What is this device name? What is this device name? Okay. 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 So, so it is actually the recommended data volumes. Volumes actually. These are all volumes types. Dev SDB, SDC, SDD. So these are all actually volume. Lot more volumes will be there. So
Yeah,
now
yeah,
we are actually taking for testing purpose. I am going to choose SDB. Okay.
by default,
Or
it was something else.
default is different. Default is something else. Yeah, you are right.
ZUDA.
Yeah. For
ZUDA.
suppose if it is this, yeah, yeah. Storage. You see, in this storage, it is showing XVDA. Dev XVDA. Okay. So now here I am choosing. If you want in
But
that, yeah, if you want, we can take that also. XVDA, right?
we can write it and then it'll come. We
Yeah.
will just write it down, type it. Def
XVDA already used, so it is telling that XVDBB is available.
something new. We have to
Yeah.
choose.
So we can take this DBR, BC, anything. Let me take
Anything.
this. Okay. So here the recommended device names Linux Dev XVDA for root volume. Okay. Dev STFC for data volumes. So it is actually giving some kind of information. Now you see this newer Linux kernels may rename your devices XV dev XVDF through dev XVDP internally. Even when the device name is entered here and shown the details. Just giving instruction.
Change कर देगा वो खुद ब खुद. It'll change the device name on its own. You will not get to know.
Yes.
So then you have to find out which name it has given.
Yeah. So you just keep in mind XVDBB.
But it'll
Okay.
change.
Huh?
This will change in the storage. It
Yeah.
says the device name. They will change it automatically.
So then I'm going to attach now. Let me
No
see.
problem.
Check. Attach. Okay. So what is that instance? Two, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Storage. I think we can go to directly instance and find out.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Size
Yeah,
will
yeah,
be
yeah.
its
Yes. Yes, storage. So let me refresh this
yeah, yeah.
page. Okay. See here. You see here XVDA is only there, but it is not
Yes.
replicating here. Why? Because we
No.
just attached it. We did not mount it.
Right.
Okay. So we did not mount it. So Sam, let me go to the console first.
Yeah,
Let me
just
go to the
mounting just
console.
like I can connect the dots. In
Yes.
Azure, what happens is when you are transferring something like SQL database, you have MySQL, and
Hmm.
you are transferring your table to blob storage
Hmm.
using ADF, Azure Data Factory. So what
Okay.
happens first? You have to establish the connection between
Yes.
SQL and data blob storage. That is only the connection. But when you have to really transfer the data, you have to mount it, and for
Yes.
mounting there is a simple SQL query that you have to run in Databricks
Yep.
for mounting, or maybe give the path of mounting.
Yes.
It is the same logic, I guess. Mounting, you have to
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
mount the
yeah.
data.
Almost similar, similar, Sam. Not exactly the same, but it is similar. Okay. So now what I will do is let me check. Let me check the block storage currently. Current block storage LSBLK. See this? So this is entire block storage
Okay.
XVDA. The same XVDA you have seen there, right? Didn't you?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I did.
Storage. I will show you. See this? Dev XVDA you might have seen there. The same. The same one you see. XVDA. Also, you can see here extra volume XVDBB. Can you see?
Yes.
This is what we have created and also attached but not mounted with this XVDA currently one. It is showing just because of attaching.
Right.
Okay. So I need to create. So now you can see the additional storage, but it is not for use. Just you kept it aside. That's it. I need to create a file system. Then I need to mount it. Okay.
Right.
Let me do one thing. I'll create a directory here. mkdir. Okay. Let's take EBS. What I can say, okay, demo for demo purpose. Okay. ls. Okay. lsblk. Oh, sorry.
LSEBS demo.
Yeah, I created just one directory. That's it. I'm trying to create a file system. Uh, I'm trying to format. Okay, XVDF. Initially, while you, for example, if you want to mount, for suppose example I'm telling, in local system, if you want to bifurcate your data hard drive, you should not keep your data in this. Okay, if you want to manage your data, if you want to manage your storage, okay, should not keep anything inside your hard disk. Clear? You know
Right.
already that, right?
Right.
So before, while you are doing bifurcation or you are shrinking or extending your hard disk, for the time you should be format your data, or else it should be empty. Correct? Same thing I have to do here. Okay. So um,
What is the full form of BLK?
block
Okay.
ls
But
means list.
we don't give space. LS directly. BLK.
No, 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 no space, no space. Okay.
And we are using which instance? We are using the 5 GB instance, or we are using the 8 GB instance. Right now, for the we connected which one? We connected the 5 GB, or
So
we
no,
connected
we need to connect it with the 8 GB to this
okay,
5 GB.
and then it will show. Then it will show. No, no. The, when we are doing the bash thing or whatever, we
Hmm?
right now we connected it to the 8 GB one to see the TLS BLK and all that.
Hmm.
Fine. Got it. Now we are
Okay.
formatting. So formatting this.
Yeah. So yeah, that's fine. Okay, let me check whether this will work or not. So this is apparently in use. The system will not make file system. Yeah. Okay. Let me do one thing. I'm sorry. I should mention where is that name. Yeah, this one. Copy, paste. Yeah. Okay. So super block bags stored. Wait, writing super block system. Okay, done. I just so whatever the system already extra volume is there, that's just formatted it. That's it. Nothing added.
So what will happen after formatting this extra volume? It will
Yeah, yeah.
merge with this.
Yeah, now actually after formatting, the next step is you need to mount it. Okay,
I understood, but why did we format this?
just
So
nothing,
what will
Sam. Just for making it clear. Unnecessary if there is any catch or just I did nothing. Okay, if you can directly, you can do that. Just I'm formatting it for free space.
okay, okay.
Okay, now I'm
And
trying
this
to
is
mount.
like mkfs dot extension 4 sudo mkfs dot extension 4 is the
Mm,
command.
Yes, that is command. Okay, so I want to see here. You need to understand here. I will
Yes.
write something here. Better. So sudo mount is command. Okay, let me. I should not write like this. I can write here properly. Sudo. Okay, mount. Okay, so dev. What is that name? I think
Path you have to give.
xv dbb. This one two
Two
ebs one
previous.
ebs something I mentioned there. This one ebs hyphen demo. Okay, for mounting purpose I'm just using this directory. Okay, I'm keeping that, I'm attaching this and I will attach there. So let me try to use this command. Okay,
Right.
sudo, okay, mount, mount, mount dev, what is that, xvdbb, xvdbb to ebs hyphen demo,
Demo.
enter.
iPhone demo or
Hyphen demo, for this directory I'm just mounting first initially. Okay, now let's see lsblk, sorry, no space. Now see this, I just attached it to, so earlier you see this xvdbb. Okay, just only till here, after that I attached to root ebs demo. Okay, okay, so now what I will do is I'll open cd. Okay, I'll open vi ebs hyphen demo. Okay, so in this you need to change the permissions.
okay.
Okay, you need to change the permissions. One second. Root EBS demo. Ch1 IPS demo. Root directory listening. So why it is not showing change permissions? Root does not allow this. I don't know. One second. Okay, 1 second. Okay, 1 second, Sam. Let me sudo. Okay, and sudo sudo one. Okay, one thing I'll do. VI EBS demo. I'll write something here. There are some files in this because
We were in the def file, dev.
yeah. Okay, let me quit from here. CHOWN sudo CHOWN root. Okay. 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 So cd EBS demo ls. Okay. VI EBS hyphen demo test. Okay. Okay.
I'll come back, sir. I'll just have a glass of water.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Go ahead, please. Okay, so now I'll try to go instance volumes, EPS volumes, volumes. Okay. Hello. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'll call you back. Hello, Sam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sam, you see here when you come back volumes. So here actually we attached something. Actually we I did not attach it to the here. So
Yeah.
actually what I've done is for demo purpose.
Yeah.
So this extra volume is there. That extra volume attached to particular one directory in the
Yeah.
root. Okay.
Mhm.
So once I attach this, what happened is so I came here in the volumes. Okay.
Yeah.
In this volumes, I try to attach with the already attached something here for EBS demo.
Mm-hmm.
Again, I'm trying to attach to our instance. So it is not showing attach. Why? Because one volume, if you attach with something different, it will not allow you to attach simultaneously with other instance or other volume,
Yeah.
other what I can say,
Yeah. Yeah. Two,
any
three,
kind.
7 minutes. Yeah.
Attach parallelly. You can't attach two servers or
Only
two
one.
different uh, drives. Okay, you cannot format that storage while attaching the other server. If you format the data will be lost now if you
Yeah.
format.
Correct.
Okay, so now this will be in a one availability zone actually.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you want to attach this to other, you just need to detach it first. You need to detach it first,
Right.
right? After detaching, we'll see whether L
We made a directory, right? First,
LSBLK.
we put it
Yes,
in the
yes,
directory and then we formatted.
yes. Can you see here, Sam?
Yeah.
Where is that? XVDBB. Did you find?
Uh,
No.
no.
So actually, I detached it. That's why it is not showing.
Right.
Okay. If you attach with the oh, where is I need to refresh again. Sam,
Yeah.
I'm very much clear here now. After confirmation, I'm telling.
Mm-hmm.
XVDA is actually EC2 instance.
This is
This
the
is
main one.
complete. It is
Main
EC2
one we were
instance.
trying to.
Yeah, it is EC2 instance.
Yeah.
Now, once we attaching it, it is appearing here. Already it is attached to EC2 instance. Now, 8 GB plus 5 GB, total 13 GB.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now, once if I detach with the volume,
You'll
okay.
again attach.
So actually, this is the one only, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is actually detached. Now I can able to attach.
Attach
Okay.
volume with test
Yes,
extension.
yes, yes. Now you can see LSBLK. You see nothing you will find. So once if I attach with the EC2 instance, okay? Can you see what is that? This one only
Mm.
3CB,
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Device.
3CB with the whatever size you want. Just keep in mind DBZ, okay? Just
Yeah.
keep in mind DBZ attach volume.
Correct.
Simply attached. I'm going here and confirming that. Let me check whether this is attached with the EC2 instance or not. LSBLK. Okay, can you see this?
Then we have to make a directory or something.
Yeah, no,
Then
that
format
direct.
it.
No. Why I have done this? I have actually whatever volume I got, can I that site just simply tested with can I able to attach this volume to particular directory or not? Just I tried it for
Mm-hmm.
testing purpose. But
Mm-hmm.
the thing is that XVDA is actually EC2 instance. After
Mm-hmm.
attaching that, it is appearing in this EC2, which means it is already attached. So you need to count now 8 GB plus 5 GB.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, total volume. This is now it is with the two. This already attached.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what you can able to take a confirmation through CLI. Okay,
Okay, so it is attached, but
LSPLK.
it's not showing. Okay,
One second. It is my pen phone.
okay, it is already
Noted.
attached. Yeah.
Yeah, it is already attached. So if you want to detach, simply you just come here. I'm showing here actually.
Got it, got it,
So you see this. See this. You need to detach. If you
got
detach
it.
it, it will disappear from there from EC2.
Okay.
Okay.
And when we will do mkdir, and then we'll create a file there and directory there.
Yeah. Directory there. You
Stick
if
it
you
there.
want to, yes. How what I have done is, so I have created one directory. Okay. In
mkdir,
that directory, your project folders you can keep it. Okay.
and then you are mounting it there.
XVDBZ is there. XVDBZ is there. Actually, now it is just a disk.
Mm,
Okay. What happened is, if you want to use this disk, first you need to create a one directory. In
mm,
that directory, you can keep entire your files. Okay. You
mm,
can utilize that files in this after keeping that directory. You clear
mm,
now?
right, right. But we did not mount it. There we were mounted it, but we did not mount it, right? I think we did not. You
No, no,
said
no,
so.
no, no. We mounted after that only. I just opened some VI, right? VI file.
Yeah, yeah,
I have typed something.
right.
Okay. After that only I have done that. After mounting. Mounting in the sense you just need to give the permission.
Okay.
What
So that is
permissions?
only if we are only if we are creating a directory. Otherwise, we don't have to do this.
I will clearly write here steps. Okay. First I
Okay.
have created one. First actually we have attached.
Attached,
Okay.
yeah.
First EC2 instance created. Okay.
Correct.
After
Correct.
that we have created one EBS volume with 5
That,
GB.
that's right. 8
Right.
GB and 5 GB. Correct.
So it is
Done.
8 GB default.
Default.
Okay. Now I created EBS volume 5 GB.
Yeah.
Okay. After that, what I have done is I have created one directory called EBS demo.
That's right.
This is just a
Under
directory.
under the default one, yeah.
Just
Directory we
this is
created.
just a directory. Okay.
That's right.
So after that, what I have done is I have actually
Um,
uh,
formatted.
mounted. No, no, mount.
Formatted the.
Yeah, just formatted. That is a part of it. Just that my wish only. Formatted it for free. Free the useless space or extra unnecessary information. If there is, it will be formatted. Correct. So now I need to mount it first. If you want to mount it, this is the one. Clear? So this is the way sudo mount, and this is a direct, what I can say, volume. What is
Yeah,
that?
yeah, yeah. Got it. Got it. Got it.
Word is not getting. Uh,
XVDBBB,
yeah,
whatever.
this is volume type. Now I got volume type. Now I'm actually attaching to particular directory here, EBS demo.
That's right.
I'm actually mounting to particular demo, particular directory, which
Will
is
become
EBS demo,
folder.
because I need to keep files here in this. Then only you can utilize this disk space. Clear?
One year.
Correct. So after that, to use this, first of all, you need to mount it. So this is a mount command.
Yeah.
Okay. Still after this also you will not be used. After that you need to do the some changes. I mean, you need to give the permissions.
Okay.
Okay. These permissions are sudo ch owner. Own means owner. So we have discussed about this. Okay.
Uh,
I'm using root. This is owner. Okay. Again root hyphen r. Okay.
right.
And
Read.
EBS demo. What is that space? Hyphen.
Okay.
So then after giving the permissions, you can utilize. It will be mounted and you can use this demo. There you can keep your files. Okay. That files are will be used for this EC2 instance only. Whatever you keep here in this, that is also related to EC2 instance only. Clear?
Yeah, yeah, got it.
That's it. So
Correct.
what yesterday, as per yesterday's diagram, so I think, can I remove this one?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Why not?
Okay. So according to yesterday's diagram, so EC2 availability zone 1, okay, availability zone 2 is there. Okay.
Mhm.
So we did not touch this till now. Okay,
Right.
EC2 instance we have created. Okay, whatever default one is there, default root, what I can say, volume, root volume. Okay, we have created extra volume with 5 GB.
Right.
Okay, with this 5 GB, I have actually attached it to this
8 GB.
EC2 instance.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now this, if you want to use, now thing is, this is actually completed, you can utilize this 5 GB space here, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So the thing is, now I want to use this 5 GB space for, can I able to use this for other availability zone?
Yes, we can, but in the same availability zone, not the different
In
availability.
the same availability zone you can use for multiple EC2 instances. Okay, okay, if you use the, if you want to use this, first of all you need to detach from here, and after that you need to attach from here, clear?
New one, yeah.
Yeah, but thing is, if you want to utilize the same what is this volume,
Snapshot.
first of all you need to create a snapshot.
Snapshot.
Okay, this snapshot you need to attach it to your EC2 instance in different availability zone. This is what we need to, this
Different availability zone or same availability zone?
that is a question. In the same availability zone you can able to, you can able to switch using attaching detaching policy,
Okay, okay.
simple clicks. Okay,
Different
but
availability
if
zone.
for different availability zone you need to create a snapshot and you need to attach it to different
Got it.
availability zone.
Got it. But it
Okay,
should be in the same region. Mumbai,
yes,
Mumbai, India,
yes,
India.
yes, that
Got
should
it.
be in a same region, in the same region, Mumbai. So
Got it.
this much only you can able to do, but for region to region it's not possible,
Not possible.
not allow, it doesn't allow.
Different region is not possible.
So till here only we have done. Okay,
Right.
so this snapshot is pending, and also mounting is pending for availability zone 2.
Availability zone two.
Okay, it will take
IB
a
or
time,
something. Yeah.
it will
Perfect.
take a
Perfect.
time.
Right. Right. This also took time. Yeah.
Yeah, it will take
Mounting.
time because I need to create again a availability zone 2. I need to create a snapshot, it will take a time. Okay, I need to detach it first. I need to detach it from what is that, EBS demo. Okay, after that I need to
Yeah.
make
Yeah.
it, I need to make it free. So then I need to create a snapshot. After that I need to mount it to the
Mounted.
particular, I need to connect with the first availability zone 2. After that I need to mount. So these many steps are pending.
Right. Right.
So
Right.
I need to do all these things step by step. So how much time left? 1 minute. Let me check the time.
Already 310.
It's
Sorry,
already
110.
170. I mean 1 hour 17 minutes. Okay.
110.
So shall we continue next one, or it will take too much time, Sam?
Yeah. Right. Right. Then it's fine. Then we'll do it tomorrow.
Yeah. So after this, we will talk about a share file system.
Right. Right. Share file system. EFS.
Yes. And also, we will discuss. In the meanwhile, we will discuss, if time permits. If you lost SSH key, if you
Okay.
lost your SSH key, what we have to do? That's what
Okay.
also, that is also we will see.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Okay,
Fine.
that I know, actually I know how, some trick that I want to tell you, that's it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Obviously, sometimes we can lose the key
Ah,
pair also. Sometimes we can
yes.
lose the SSH key also. Then what we
Yeah,
do?
in companies they will not that much careless, but
Yeah.
still you should know the process, how, what I have to do
Right.
in that rare case.
Fine. Fine.
Companies, they will not lose any keys, they will not be that much careless. They will
Backup.
maintain, no, not backup, they will maintain particular secret and vaults.
Yes.
Okay,
Vaults. Key
so
vaults.
they will keep everything key vaults there,
Key
in the
vaults.
key vault. They will
Right.
not be that much careless, but still, human errors is one kind of no tolerance
Right.
will be there, right? That
Right.
human error might happen anytime, anything happens. So that's the reason you should know the process, how we have to do.
Fine. Fine. Perfect. Perfect.
Fine, Sam. Just keep these steps for tomorrow itself. It will be useful for you. So
Yes.
keep these steps in mind.
Right. Right.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
It's look like little confusion, but if you do start practicing, you can
Can
understand.
you send the history of this? The history of the commands.
No problem, Sam. I'm already with you. I will share with you this
So
entire
I'll
PDF.
try because this mounting thing once it has to be done.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm also sharing with this video, right? You can
Yeah. Yeah.
directly see that.
Right. 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 Right.
So history, in the sense, you will get this much useless content. It's
Right.
exited,
That
exit.
I will delete and I'll just keep the commands and all.
Oh, got it. So fine. Try to find history. Again, I need to log in.
You type history and then it will come. Like,
Yeah, yeah. No, no, it will come, but it is logged out already.
oh, fine, fine.
That's why.
Then it's fine. That's okay.
Yeah, I'll try to do now. One second. I'm not sure history will get or not.
Maybe new instance.
Oh, spelling is wrong.
HISTORY.
So yeah,
Yep, it's there.
copy. And I will share. Can I share it now? Now here in chat. So
Yeah,
again, I
yeah,
need to log in WhatsApp and all.
yeah, yeah.
So
No,
I
no
can.
problem. Problem.
So don't worry. Don't think about much about EBS demo. That's just directory only mounting with the current volume. That's it. To keep
Right, right,
my
right.
files, to keep my files, extra
Correct.
project files, etc., etc. To utilize it. Already it is attached with the EC2
It is
instance,
attached.
but you are utilizing with one particular directory and you are giving permissions to particular directory. Then also after that you can utilize the directory. That's it.
Right, right, right.
Okay.
But anyways, we have to put things in the files only, in a folder only. So eventually, we have to create a
Ah,
folder.
100%, 100%. So now after that EBS demo directory, you can keep whatever your project files. You can keep it there.
Right, 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 right.
And if something and whatever you keep that in new volume, after detaching it, you can utilize it and you can attach it to different instance also.
Right,
Right? That is a good advantage. Okay.
right, 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 right.
Right. So but default EC default volume you could not able to detach.
Right.
Okay.
Default volume.
Yeah. Fine.
Right.
So that's it for today, Sam. Actually, time is not permitting. That's the
Right.
reason I could not able to continue the
No
class.
problem. It will be too
So
lengthy.
because it will take again one more 1.5 hour.
Right.
Okay. So let's continue the next whatever it is there, the pending one with a
Right.
different availability zone.
Right.
So tomorrow class. Fine.
Thank you.
Can I?
Thank you.
Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
Sam. Thanks for
Thank you.
joining. See
Yes,
you
sir.
tomorrow. Bye.